I'm dying. The guy in the video made it look so easy. He just click, click, click. He literally in the video just goes, and now we're gonna put this upper grill cover on. Click, click. Why don't you click, click? Please just go in. Please just go in. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is probably my most requested video. I think every video I've posted since the incident has been about this. As you can see here, I got a big ass box and I got a Mustang without a bumper. So you do the math. To rewind a little bit, I slid into a ditch and the car was actually perfectly fine. However, when the tow truck driver pulled me out, he ripped my front bumper directly off. So I have gone without a bumper for quite some time and I have gotten so much hate in the comments. I mean, if it was a stock Mustang without a bumper, I'd understand that, but come on. This Hellhorse intercooler that's chilling in the front, so big, so aggressive. I love it. However, I do want to keep it protected, so went ahead and picked up the MP Concepts GT350 style bumper. It is probably my favorite out of all of them. I like the Mach 1 from 777 Performance. I also am iffy on the GT500, but the GT350 just looks so clean on the Gen 2, so I had to pick that one up. Now, I'm still in talks with a few painters, so I'm not sure when it's actually going to go onto the car. However, we can unbox it and take a look at it. All right, let's see what we got. Oh. One more. And you can't see anything. All right, I got everything out of our abnormally large box. I'm gonna go ahead and take all the bubble wrap off and see what we're working with here. All right, so we got the bumper out, and as I said, it does not come painted. However, it looks really sick. I'm excited to kind of throw everything together so that I can get a little mock-up of what it is gonna look like when we finally throw it on. Now, I know you use a lot of the OEM parts to put back, such as all of the housing and stuff for your turn signals, which I don't even have here. They're in Valdosta, but I can put a lot of it together. Step one is you actually twist this here thingy off, and then you can install the grill. That is easy enough, okay. You're gonna put in the upper grill. All you have to do is just kind of flip it over, and then you see the clips on top and bottom. It should just clip right in. I'm afraid of breaking it. I guess if it... I'm dying. The guy in the video made it look so easy. He just click, click, click. Mine is not click, click, clicking. All right, that clicked in. Okay, one down. That was easy. Easiest thing I've ever done. Maybe take like a little break, just a little one. Don't listen to the guy in the video. It's definitely not that easy. But with that being said, front grille is in on the top. Now we need to do the bottom. Go in the right spot. Okay. And just click in like you do in his video. Just click right in. It just feels flimsy. I'm afraid of breaking it. Oh, okay. Okay. Nope. Not even in line. Okay. This isn't working. He did it so easy in the video. Watch it again. There's no trick to it, Parker. You're just an idiot. Just click it. I think it's clicking. It's not making a click noise. Click, damn it! Click in! Oh, I heard a click. Oh my god, it's unclicked. Please. Please just work. Go in. Just work for me. Thank you. Thank you. See, all you have to do is ask it nicely. Hey, I just asked nicely. We decided we were gonna work. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Nice. Oh, it's in. Okay, I deserve a break. A nice long break. Man, the guy on American Muscle gave this 2 out of 3 wrenches. I would hate to see what 3 wrenches looks like. So we now have the upper grill installed, the lower grill installed, and it is the easiest thing ever. A baby could do it. Let's go ahead and finish off. I know we have to do the little grill extenders, I think is what they're called, on the top right and left of the upper grill. Which side do you go on? You go on this side, this other side. You go on this side. Yes. Will you just click in? Can I have one thing that cooperates? I don't want to break it. Come on, clip in. Just clip in. Just do it, please. I beg of you. You're not clipping in. You're not doing it. Come on now. Why? Click. Oh my God. Just go in, go in. Why is this the hardest thing I've ever done? He literally in the video just goes, and now we're gonna put this upper grill cover on. Click, click. Why don't you click, click? I just unclipped the upper grill. Oh. Now it's not clicking back in. Oh my. Taking a nap. Please. Please just go in. Yes, see? Why didn't you just do that from the beginning? It was that easy. It was that easy. Let's just click in. Now do it on this side. See? See? What? Well, let's randomly decide to work perfectly. I pushed with every ounce of effort I had, and all I had to do was just casually put it in. Honestly, the worst part is I just spent so long doing that side, and I still have to do the other side. Now, keep in mind, if you're watching this video before you install yours, I am not mechanically inclined at all. I never work on my own car. This is probably one of the first few times, so you more than likely will have a lot easier time than I do. I don't understand you. Why don't you just go in? Dude, not this again, please. Not again. I was motivated. I was really motivated. And you're ruining it. You're ruining it. Just go in, please. Okay, yeah. It's not happening. I'm hot. I'm pissed. I'm done with you. After a lot of raging and pushing as hard as I can, I punched it and it clicked right in. Well, now we have upper grill, lower grill, the little grill covers. Now we need to do the splitter. All right, I moved to the garage. It is way too damn hot out there. The sun literally hits right where I was working, so that's stupid on my part. I should have been here the whole time, but hopefully now we'll be cool, we'll be composed, and this will go perfectly fine. I mean, as you've seen so far, it's been smooth sailing, so I don't see why this would go any different. Please, please, please. It looks about right to me. No, it doesn't. It's not lining up right. Alright, well, I think I have the bottom lip lined all up. Now I gotta put like 100 of these things in there, probably realize it's not lined up, and then redo it. Alright, so I just went through and I put all those fasteners in there. I got kind of confused because there's some that don't have it. Anywhere there's a little slit, I guess it's for a performance pack, and it has a little clip, which I don't have. So I used the bolts that came with it, and I'm just gonna use zip ties on everything else because again, I didn't have the performance pack. Now it says that you can just do it without, but I got zip ties and I'm already here. Alrighty, add 6 more zip ties to the build. If you've made it this far in the video, comment just a guesstimate. How many zip ties do you have on your build? I probably have 500. Anyways, I'm gonna clip these, tighten those down, and we should be done. And then we should be good. Obviously, I still have the turn signals, but like I said, I do not have those with me. And I still need to get the thing painted, so it's not like I need the turn signals right this second. Kind of put it up in front of the car so you can get an idea of what it's gonna look like. I think it's gonna be crazy once it's painted. Obviously, again, we're missing the turn signals, but I'll get that figured out. If you just clicked on this video and have no clue who I am, just know I am not a liar. So I'm gonna tell you the truth right now. This took me like 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours of pretty much just raging, and then taking a little break and then trying again, and then it's just working miraculously. For the mechanically inclined, I would say sure, it's a 2 out of 3 wrenches. If you're not mechanically inclined, that's a 4 out of 3 wrenches, but it's worth it. Looks pretty sick. Yeah, and here's one last look at it. It's a 2015 through 2017 MP Concepts GT350 style bumper. I think it is gonna pair up great with these Alpha Rex headlights. I'm so excited to see everything put back together and look like an actual car again. But that is gonna wrap this one up. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm sure you probably couldn't follow along and put a whole MP Concepts GT350 bumper together. However, I hope you at least got a little enjoyment out of it. With that being said, that is gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.